Okay, folks, we come to the elevators at the Sheraton on the Falls Hotel. We're going to the tower elevators. These ones right here. All OTIS Elevonic 411s. Go up. This one right here, the luxury giant OTIS. Up to 22. Here we go. OTIS Elevonic 411s. Here we go. See if it goes all the way up. Much like it will. Wow. From these amount of floors, this is really fast. It's like 1,000 to 1,200 feet a minute. No joke. That's really fast. And you can easily tell by the acceleration rate. Okay. On the 12th floor. Back to lobby. OTIS. The quick cap view. Here we go. These are 3,500 pounds, 21 persons is the capacity. 1,588 kilograms. That's crazy. It's like, that's literally 1,200 feet a minute. Look at this. It takes a while for it to decelerate, and that's it.
All my elevators keep going. She was reading the exam.
That's it.